fingers, singing my life and his words, killing me softly with his song, killing me softly with his song, telling my whole life. Gusto niyo ba naiiyak yung boses ko? Killing me softly with his song. Yung glimpse of us na kanta na hindi pa. I heard he sang a good song. I heard he had a style. Pumayok ako dito nung last ko ng tattoo eh. Dito sa live na to. To see him and listen for a while. And there he was, this young boy, stranger to my eyes, strumming my pain with his fingers, singing my life with his words, killing me softly with his song, killing me softly with his song, telling my whole life with his words, killing me softly with his song. I felt all flushed with fever. Bakit parang ang bagal ng oras? Embarrassed by the crowd. I felt he'd found my letters and read each one out loud. I prayed that he would finish, but he just kept right on, strumming my pain with his fingers,